The Ukrainians again attacked the Crimean bridge, and with 2 explosions on the bridge itself, they again damaged the Russian pride that unites Russia and Crimea. The Crimean bridge, the only link between the annexed peninsula and Russia, has suffered damage to its spans. Russia's transport ministry said Monday, as multiple telegram channels reported strikes on the bridge, and a local official confirmed at least 2 deaths. There is damage to the roadway on spans of the Crimean bridge, the transport ministry said on Telegram. Images showed a partial collapse of a section of the roadway portion of the bridge, which also carries railroad tracks. Vladimir Konstantinov, head of the State Council of the Republic of Crimea, blamed the damage to the bridge on a Ukrainian attack. Tonight, the terrorist regime in Kiev committed a new crime. It attacked the Crimean bridge, Konstantinov said. As with previous alleged attacks in Crimea, the Ukrainian government has been opaque in its messaging. But the Security Service of Ukraine hinted that the Ukrainian government was responsible. In a statement on Telegram threaded to an October 2022 post referring to a previous attack on the Crimean bridge, the SBU said, "Nightingale, my dear brother, the bridge has gone to sleep again. And once, twice. Last October, a huge blast partially damaged the bridge, causing parts of it to collapse. Sergei Aksanov, the Russia-appointed head of Crimea, said an emergency incident had been reported, halting traffic on the bridge, which serves as a vital logistical node for Moscow's military in its war against Ukraine. 2 strikes were allegedly carried out around 3 a.m. local time, damaging part of the bridge. Videos posted on Telegram by Baza, Grey Zone, and other Crimean news outlets appeared to show part of the bridge collapsed and a vehicle damaged in the latest incident. The governor of Russia's Belgorod region, Vyacheslav Gladkov, confirmed that 2 people were killed and a 3rd person was injured in the incident. Gladkov said a girl was injured and her parents were killed while traveling in the car that was damaged in the incident. The nearly 12-mile bridge, also known as the Kerch Bridge, is the longest in Europe and carries both road and rail traffic. The bridge was severely damaged on October 8th when a fuel tanker exploded and destroyed a large section of the road. Why is the Kerch Bridge important? There are at least 2 reasons. Symbolic. It is the most important infrastructure project built by Russia after the illegal annexation of the Crimean Peninsula in 2014, when the collective West forgot to defend Ukraine's sovereignty, despite some being legally obligated. The US and UK, through the signing of the 1994 memorandum. Its inauguration was carried out by Vladimir Putin himself, and it is a source of national pride. Military-civil logistics, with the other ground line of communication that provide military links between Russia and the Crimean Peninsula within the HIMARS range, constantly under attack by Ukrainian partisans. The Kerch Bridge was the only vital land communication line for the troops in Crimea. For now, at least, auto traffic will certainly not resume for a long period of time. We will see during the course of today whether rail traffic will resume or if that part of the bridge was also affected by the explosions heard by witnesses. Terrorist Gherkin Strelkov comments the explosion on the Kerch Bridge. "I have nothing to add to what I wrote after the last attack on Crimea Bridge. They will strike again. They will strike again. More, farther, stronger. Until the amazing idiots in the Kremlin realize there will be no negotiations, that the partners won't understand and forgive them, and that the war is for winning." Russian media publish a video reportedly from Chonhar Bridge of a huge traffic jam of those wishing to leave Crimea. And as expected, Ukrainians are happy. On the front, sources report that Ukrainian forces has advanced into the northern limits of Staromyorska. Russia units are said to be falling back. Withdrawing Russian forces will be vulnerable to flanking attacks. This will likely open the highway into the Mokry-Yali River Valley. To call this cringe would be an understatement of the century. Brace yourselves. If you're planning to watch the whole video, make sure to grab a bucket just in case you might need to throw up. I warned you.
Давит кольцом, России угрожают смертельным концом. И сами не знают, попали куда. Ждет USA очень скоро беда. Наши ракеты стоят на дежурстве. Нету полетных заданий, вы в курсе. Но наши военные ближайшие даты пишут ракеты, координаты. Мельки сразу пиндос начнутся. Враги за границей внутри степенутся. С арматными способами маски полков. Скажу ту сторону, теперь Вашингтон. Граждане демократичной Америки строят госпереворот в истерике. Вы США уже не до Украины. И мы считаем, что это очень правильно. Что же полезны в Россию рогатые. Да вы же еще такие богатые. Вы уж порядку всех нас достали, поэтому мы сарматы достали. Вам все с рук не сойдет, как обычно, конец эксплуатации экономический, сток либеральный приоритет, полный курс и суверенитет. За это Нобелевскую премию получил. Вот пожинайте ошибок плоды. Много утянул свои пары воды. Ельцин дело, Горбин закончил. Полностью сдался страну США. И из ракет ядерных экспертов вытянул мощный потенциал. Боря сказал, что ракеты теперь мощный ядерный лом. Не будут теперь никуда на цель. Их распилить на металлолом. Наш президент мирового масштаба дал спецзадание для оборонного штаба. И наши военные ближайшие даты пишут ракеты и координаты. Что же полезны Россию рогаты. Да вы же еще такие богатые. Вы уж порядку всех нас достали. Поэтому мы с арматы достали. Вам все с рук не сойдет, как обычно. Конец эксплуатации экономический. Сток либеральный приоритет. Полный курс и суверенитет. Теперь все вместе.
Мы на Штаты, свои сарматы, нацелим и в них пишем координаты. НАТО твоим солдатам, пускай и днем, и ночью снятся наши сарматы. На Штаты, свои сарматы, нацелим и в них пишем координаты. НАТО твоим солдатам, пускай и днем, и ночью снятся наши сарматы. Ура!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.